What's going on, everybody? Just getting myself ready to go take my motorcycle license exam. I'm a little nervous. Okay, honestly, I'm extremely nervous. I don't know how it's gonna go, but that's just where I'm headed now. There's a bug in here, man. I'm so scared of bugs. I could have been a deadly crash for me, man. I can't stand little critters. I hope it's gone. I hope it's not still busy chilling on the bike somewhere. But anyway, yeah, I'm headed to take my road test right now. I'm extremely nervous. I did a little bit of practicing in the parking lot, and yeah, you know, I feel like, I feel like I would have done a lot better with the cruiser, because that's what I really practiced on, especially like low speed maneuvers. But I mean, the problem with the cruiser is like it almost wants to stall all the time whenever you're just like idling. It almost always wants to stall, and because of that, since you get dinged for stalling all the time, I was just like, probably shouldn't take the cruiser. Then I practiced with this guy, and oh my god, it's just bad. I don't know. I mean, we'll see how it goes. I'm going there positive. Am I going there as if I'm just gonna ace it? Not really, but am I going there confident? You betcha. So hopefully everything goes alright, you know. I really hope so, because it'll be really nice to get my motorcycle endorsement instead of just keeping this permit. But you know, you'll never know what happens. You just will never know. Oh my god. And it's bad too, because I'm kind of running behind schedule, just a little bit. So supposed to have been there 6 minutes ago. Oh man. Practice what I preach. See if I can weave my way. Around all this traffic. But yeah. I just hope this test goes well, man. I really hope so. I feel like when I was practicing, the hardest part is going to be the 90-degree turn. It's definitely a lot easier if you do it on a smaller bike. I don't know. I just feel like, I mean, I practiced the 90-degree turn countless times, but for some reason on this bike, I don't know. You know what? We'll see. Is that traffic I see? Yeah, sure is. Oh, really? Could have taken that turn super smooth. big old bug that just splattered. I can't see half my screen, man. That weren't no bug. I swear that was a bird, man. Jeez Louise. If that's a bug, man, that's a frog, yo. Oh my God. My whole screen is just half my screen. I'm gonna have to wash that as soon as I get there. I can't see. Well, I'm here.